What is up, guys? Blim here. We are back with more Showdown live action, and today we are gonna be taking on the RU tier with some insane heat. Look at the team which we have today. Just look at the team. Let me show you. What is the team? What is the BDSP RU tier? Yeah. So look at this team. We have a power hub, camera up with solar beam, fire blast, earth power, and rock polish. We have the Grumpig with Psyshock, Shadow Wall, Nasty Plot substitute with Salak Buddy. We have a Sub-Salak Grumpig. We have a camera up, and I have named this Grumpig Pokemon because I think he loves Pigmons. So I've named it Pokemon. So Pokemon, this is Grumpig is for you. And we have an insane crazy team. So today's live is gonna be an absolutely insane one. So before beginning the live, guys, we are on the road to 5K and uploading 1 to 2 videos a day. The most heated showdown lives exclusively from the industry. So head over to my channel, hit that sub button and leave a like on the video if you enjoy the video. That is alrighty. Let's begin today's Grumpig Are You Live. Not just Grumpig, I mean we have a crazy Grumpig and we have some tech as well. Okay, so first game I see we got I think this is a Mantine Kabutops Rain. So versus Rain, I wanna keep my Kabutops sash, which is gonna be really important. I wanna get my screens up ASAP. Frostless can be very annoying though. I mean if he might lead off with it and like destroy my sashes and stuff, so I think I have to light screen. Yeah, that Frostless is gonna be very annoying. So I mean, should I keep Stone Edge on my boot hubs? Okay, leads up with the Jolteon. I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. He might Shadow Ball me. He yawns me. Okay. I mean, I don't mind this. I do not mind this yawn. I mean, my what to say, camera isn't the best one here. I can like throw off a Fire Blast. I can throw off a Fire Blast. He goes to the Mantine. Okay, this should be. Okay, we burned this leftovers for some reason. It shouldn't be leftovers, but I mean, I don't care. This is leftovers for some reason, but it should be, I think, choice specs. Should be choice specs. So goes for the skull. I think I wanna go for my let's go for the light screen. He skulls, boost up. He crits me, but as I say, it doesn't matter. I wanna deflect up. Boost up. TP out. I think he might have haze on something. So I mean, my Grumpig looks kind of good, but I mean, if I set up, I kind of win. Okay, let's do one thing. Should we start setting up? Okay, let's start setting up. Let's sub up real quick. Sub up, and we are 12 HP. I hope to get yeah. He goes to the Volbeat. Okay, he might have Encore though. He might have Encore and Rain Dance, right? Okay, let him Encore my, Kabutops. Yeah, I thought he might have Encore. Wanna get him up. Goes to the Jolteon, which is kind of walled by my camera. I mean, if he goes for the he loses. If he goes for the Shadow Ball, he loses. Okay, let him kill me off. He has the Life Orb. That makes it a bit scary. I mean, Linoon should be good enough. His Life Orb though. I think Grumpig should leave a Shadow Ball as well. I'm not sure, but okay, let's go to my Kabutops. Let's liquidate. Or I can like do a liquidate. Okay, let's liquidate. Yeah. I mean, he goes to the Mantine. It's not the end of the world. If he goes to the Vileplume, I wanna like knock you off. Let's knock this boy off. Or like if he strength ups me, I don't wanna. If he strength ups me, it's gonna be bad. So let's see. Yeah, he sludge bombs me. Not the end of the world. Just live screen up. He bombs. Okay, nice. Do I commit now? I mean, I'm thinking to commit now. But he has a Frostlass though. We should outspeed my Linoon. Roost up. Wanna roost up. Goes to the Volbeat. I mean, you can't. I mean, this one can't encore me. He cannot encore me. Yeah, he can't encore me. He can't encore me. So let's reflect up and then we TP out. He turns. I mean, what is his team? It's a pseudo rain. I mean, I don't understand. He can't defog me as well. He cannot defog me. Yeah, he goes for that. So I think. Does he have the what to say? Does he have the? I mean, if he defogs, it's not the end of the world. I'm trying to get the chance to set up. I still have my Kabutops. Okay, he has defog though. Nice. Let's Psyshock this boy real quick. Does he have haze though? He should have haze. Or does he have air slash? Some nonsense. Yeah, he defogs, but I have my Xatu at almost full. So my Xatu can come in on something, and if he like... Okay, this is dead. This is dead. Goes to last. I don't think Shadow Ball. You should be like max special attack or something in order to kill me. Okay, he clicks the wrong move though. But he got what he wanted. Stupid cursed body. If I subbed there, he lost kinda. He kinda lost if I subbed. But yeah, he got the cursed body off. That's very annoying. Okay, we got the speed boost. So I can pretty much shadow ball something. Can shadow ball something. I mean, it's a haze Mantine. It should be a haze Mantine, right? Or is Pokemon gonna sweep him? Is Pokemon gonna sweep him though? It's what to say? Let's find out, I guess. Shadow Ball kill him. I mean, I wish I had the Psyshock. It was a whole wrap. It was done so if I got the Psyshock off. It was pretty much done so. And Curse Body's disable stays active for quite some turns. Oh, it did 48? Bombs me. Okay, now he's in trouble. Now he's in big trouble. I wish I nasty plotted up on this and kill the Kabutops should live, right? Kabutops. What is your speed F? You are dead. You are dead. You're 70 speed F. Yeah, it should live though. I mean, this might have haste, so I don't want to play games with this max defense. This might be haste. Okay, he sacks his whole team for some reason. And yeah, I just want the damage on the Kabutops, and I think Pokemon already sending him packing. Yeah, Shadow Ball this. Almost died, almost. Okay, click the wrong move. You have Jet though. You have Jet. Oh no, he lost. Grumpig sweep. Game 1, Grumpig sweep. Grumpig sweep game 1. You love to see the Grumpig go stupid on the ladder. Grumpig going stupid on the ladder. Yup. Let's get the next one. Let's get the next one. Grumpig going absolutely stupid on the ladder. Get the next one. Let's get the next game. Let's see what we get. Yeah, Grumpig already putting in a lot of work, so let's see what we get for the next game. So I mean, I wanna do work with my camera up as well. Where is the RU tier? Yeah. Should I like keep Stone Edge? I mean, for anti-defog. Let's keep Stone Edge. Yeah, for anti-defog. Keep Stone Edge, and let's see if you can make some changes to the team. I think this is okay. Yeah, I'm running this HP to live some hits. I mean, It has got really high HP, so hopefully leave some hits. I just want to get the memento off. That's the main purpose of this drip limb, to block spins and get memento off. That's the main. Okay, we got a game versus a. Okay, so I mean, Grumpig isn't gonna do much unless we get rid of that Houndoom. My rocks look really good because he doesn't have a T-forward and he has a Houndoom. Yeah, I want to get him up. Okay. I know I'm gonna miss this, I know. But if I kill this, my Grumpig will go in. I know I'm gonna miss this though. I know I'm gonna miss this. But if we kill the Vaporeon though, my Camerupt will just go stupid on him. I mean, Vaporeon, I don't know how much it will take from a Solar Beam. But rest everything else, Camerupt will deal. He was a Sash, Houndoom. He's a slow, stupid Houndoom. Why are you a Will-O-Wisp slow Houndoom? What is this? He goes to the Noyer. Yeah, that is. Yeah, okay. I want it. I want chip on you as well. I want chip on the Vaporeon. He subs. You Focus Punch, bro? Focus Punch? I missed that set. I hope he's Focus Punch. I hope he's the cool guy. Nope. I think he's some sub curse something. I think this sub curse pen split or something. I'm pretty sure. What is he doing though? Okay, let's get some more chip damage. His sub pen split Shadow Sneak. Oh, nice. Okay, now I'm gonna crit the edge in case he like. I'm gonna crit the edge. Okay, thank God he goes for the Shadow Sneak. So I have some options here. Like, I think Fire Blast will cook this. Fire Blast will absolutely cook this off. Yeah, let's go for the Fire Blast. I hope. Because the thing is, if it doesn't also cook this, I want to get chip damage on the Vaporeon. Okay, it doesn't die. Camerupt is super weak. This is like max PDF. This is max PDF. Go to the Vaporeon and give me some chip on this. I mean, yeah. I thought so. Yeah, I knew this might be something like this. I thought so. He seeks me. Okay, now I think you know who wins. I think Pokemon wins. I get my screen sub and I kind of win this game. Pokemon just wins this game. He goes to the Aggron. Okay, not bad. Unless he's like max speed. Oh no, even if max speed Timid is lower. Good job. I thought for some time that my Zatu is what to say. It's synchronized, not magic card. Avalanches me, okay. Let's switch out to my Grumpig and I wanna like nasty plot up unless he has road. I don't mind the rocks. Oh, okay, I see you. Let's boost up again unless he has road. Now let's sub up. Okay, let's Shadow Ball and then I'll sub up again. His Waste, Avalanche, Petal Burst, Tail Drop. Okay, now let's sub up and then we kill him off. Okay, now we kill him off. He tried to Metal Burst from 5% health. Not bad though. Yeah, look at Pokemon Go. Are we Light Clay? Yeah, we are Light Clay. Okay, I think you die. Yup. Don't be underestimating the Grumpig. Absolutely destroyed. Pokemon, look at Pokemon Go. Yep. He disconnected. He was done so. Let's get the next one. Yeah, he was done so. Okay, so kinda annoying team, to be honest. I mean, whenever I see Uxie, I feel very annoyed. So I don't know what to expect. So he leads up with Uxie. He doesn't have a ghost type, so pretty much I can feed his spin up on this. I can feed his spin on his rocks. And if he energy balls me, I don't care. Oh my god, it took so much. This is offensive, I guess. His focus sash Uxie. What? Why would we have focus sash Uxie, man? This is one of the most bulkiest mods. I mean, what can Oko it though? Nothing can Oko it. But yeah, my luck already started. Yeah. Full para started. Am I faster though? Nope, I'm not faster. Okay, nice. He keeps making. If he keeps making these shit plays, I like it. I like it when these guys play like this. Yeah, why aren't you taking the damage though? This was my initial thought. Why aren't you taking the damage? So let's see what he goes to now. This is Danzo. This is Danzo. Grumpig is looking hella good. Grumpig looking super good. Oh, I definitely want chip on you too. Can I get this knockoff? Oh, nice. Kills me, okay. Now, I have some options though. Does Camera Up Solar Beam kill this? No way, right? No freaking way. But I'm gonna go for it though. I don't think it kills though because Vaporeon has really high speed F. But I have waited long enough, but I'm impatient now. I'm gonna be clicking the Solar Beam. I'm gonna be clicking it though. I mean, my Camera Up is super good versus him. Super good. It will deal with the Arcanine, it will deal with Luxray, it will deal off with the Hitmonlee, it will deal off with the Sand Slash. Oh yes. I underestimated my Camera Up. Sorry, Cam. Okay, so we aren't letting you spin. So with this boy. Yeah, Stone Edge did some decent damage. Not gonna lie, did some decent damage. But this X is gonna send this boy flying. Even this Arcanine, yeah. Like if he does this kill? Okay, he crit me. I don't think that killed though. But yeah, I can pretty much like set up with my back to back. No. Grumpig should rest for some time now. Pokemon should take some rest. He swept him back to back. Do I wanna like go for the? Do I wanna go for it? You know what? I'm clicking it though. I'm clicking it. As I said, I'm clicking it. I don't care. Something is gonna drop now. Something is gonna drop now. Let's see who it is. Oh my god, yeah. So you took 23. Okay, get lost now. Yeah, this is gonna drop dead. Oh no. Oh my god! What is this damage though? E-Speed did 87. Are you an E-Killer or what? Is this RCS normal with Silk Scarf? It did so much damage though. But do you like taking this Fire Blast though? Okay, so it's gonna be the Grumpig. It's gonna be the Grumpig game, I guess. Oh no. You crit us, we crit you back. Now he has to go to the Hitmonlee and go for the Endure, I guess. Yeah, I think he's gonna go for the Endure, but I don't mind if he goes for the Endure. Hitmonlee has high speed F. He might mock me as well. I don't care. As I said, I will go for my Reflect and I will sweep him with the Pokemon. Yeah, it's gonna live. I knew it's gonna live. He jabs me, but or do I like straight up go for game? I don't need my screens though. I think I can straight up go for game. Oh, okay. If it's guts, then I lose kind. If it's guts, then I kind of lose. Okay, I made a stupid play. Yeah. If that boy was guts, I mean this Luxray is guts, then I could have lost. Now I can TP out. And I set up on the Luxray's face. Yeah. Yeah, if it was in case it was like Guts Luxray with like Crunch, then I would have been in trouble. But here I can like E-Speed sweep him. Don't think Luxray gets superpower. You don't learn superpower and I can like belly drum. Oh, he's intimidate? No problem. Okay, he will go for the wall switch and now let's kill the whole rusty population with this space 120 double H. Perfect. Let's get the next game. Yeah. Let's get the next one. Pretty cool way to end the game, I guess. Let's get the next one. Also, guys, later tonight we have a showdown live coming up. OU live. So yeah, if you like this type of content, showdown live content, hit that sub button and leave a like on the video. Okay, so their game versus one more Uxie squad. So let's lead up with the Kabutops. I mean, if he leads up with the Uxie, I shall not let it set up. Get up rocks. My locks look hella good. Okay, he leads up with this. Do I spin once? But what? I don't think it can kill me though. Yeah, I thought so. He might go to the mount. He has to go to the mount top. But here I get a free switch to myself. And I can like, how much are we at? 21. Yeah. After this, we can get one more. He goes to the spirit in a tomb. I can like wisp this boy. Nice. Shadow balls me. Oh, I don't mind this wisp though. I do not mind this wisp. I mean, this hex is gonna do a lot of damage. Yeah, I thought so. And he's not gonna kill me. So I'm thinking, do I memento and start setting up with something? I mean, what do I set up with? My Linoon? Or Pokemon or the Camerupt? Camel looks kinda okay. I think memento is my play. Yeah, he goes to Sharky. Oh, or you know what I can do here? Like, I can go for the belly drum sweep. You don't get close combat, I guess. Yeah, I can like go for the belly drum sweep. Yeah, he can intimidate me a lot of times with this hit on top. But yeah, I don't think you get close combat, right? He liquidates my ass. This life orb. Okay, let's like e-speed this boy. I don't care. You go to the tomb, you're gonna die. He has to go to the like Hitmon top and like fake me out. That's his only play, I think. Fake out will kill me though. Yeah, fake out will kill me. Definitely it will kill me. But I am going for game with my Pokemon. Why did he go to the shark though? Waste PPs? You wanna watch me click this belly drum? I don't need to, because I think I have some decent PPs. Okay, e-speed this boy. I want to e-speed you, I guess. I mean, yeah, okay. It's fake out but not technician, so it's not gonna kill me. I doubt this e-speed kills you though. Yeah, I thought so. This might not kill him. But now I think my Camerupt is kinda set up to sweep him. This close combat will hurt though. I mean, back in the day, all these mons they made, I mean, these mons have like absolutely shit stats. I wanna like polish up again. That did a ton of damage. Here's a Charizard. Go to the shark. Earth Power will send this boy absolutely flying. Oh, okay. He had other plans though. He had other plans. Sorry, my bad. Thank God I have my sash intact. Have weak armor as well, so if I miss this edge, I will be in trouble though. Let's try to hit it. Try to hit this edge. Okay, this will take some good damage. Yeah, it took 79. I can like, if he drains, I mean, he drains. I want to keep my sash intact. Yeah, he goes for the Giga Drain, loses HP. Do I want to reflect up? He goes for the shark and okay, let's screen. You don't kill me, I guess. Okay, let's reflect if possible. He drains. Okay. Sub up on this boy. That shark is annoying, as I said. Just the Charizard. Let's plot up. Choice specs. I wanna say this won't do much. Yeah. Okay, now I think we won. Yep. Unless this Charizard lives a Grumpix +2 Psyshock. Okay, it's like max HP, some nonsense. This is gonna be very tough. Or this is gonna be tough though. How does a Charizard live though? Oh my god. He goes to the Shark. You know what, I can like plot up on his Protect. Oh yeah, he crits me. Okay, so I know my series of plays though. I know my series of plays. I mean, but he's gonna give me weak armor, right? And I get my spin off. This is gonna be a very interesting endgame. Yeah, he's gonna be weak armor. I should be faster than this. Okay, yeah, we won. Yeah, I won. I think we won. I think Rapid Spin should send you flying, but I wanna calc. All of his mons looks incredibly bulky though. You kill, right? We are 284. We are jolly. Kabutops, PU showdown usage, not life orb. Then we have Sceptile, NU showdown usage. I mean, Rapid Spin does 25 to 30. How much you got? 29. I refuse to believe you're a max HP Sceptile, right? No one freaking runs a max HP Sceptile. Oh, I have knock, but I so wanna go for the. I have knock. I so wanna go for the spin. Yeah, GG. Yeah, no one runs Kabutops sweep. Yeah, aim did Joey the doctor. He did a rapid spin sweep with Kabutops. We also did one. So yeah, yep. And let's get one last game. Versus the Rain Squad. Why are we getting Rain Squad? Our team is so slow, man. Our team is one of the slowest teams. Why are we facing Rain Squads though? You know what? I've had it with Rain Squad. I will go all in on nothing on this game. I will commit fully. Watch. Watch this series of plays. First I get him up. Now I spin. Then I knock. Watch this series of plays. Then first now I knock. Okay. So you are 50, you are 65, you are stronger. Get him up. Why don't you get him up? Yeah, I thought so. He's giving me extra chip. Yeah, he gave me extra chip. He did was give me extra chip. Go to you. Let's get my light screen up. Watch this series of plays. Watch. It's gonna be sick. Trust me, it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be at the make or break. Watch this series of plays. Okay, light screen. Subflect. Oh, good job. TP out. Watch this play. It's gonna be absolutely sick. I mean, you guys haven't watched anything like this. Watch this series of plays. Just watch this series of plays. I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay, watch. It's gonna be sick. I think it's gonna be sick. It's gonna be absolutely sick. Pokemon or Linoon man. Pokemon or Linoon man. Who. Pick. I mean, Linoon is a guaranteed win, but you know what? There's a Pokemon live. I wanna go commit. I wanna commit fully. If you wanna commit, guys, commit fully. Same for girls. Commit fully. Same for pigs. Commit fully. I know. I mean, yeah. This Grumpig, this girl is gonna commit fully now. Make or break. Absolutely make or break. Okay. Let's get greedy on him. Go for the sub. Plot up again. Now let's get my Salak boost. I wanna get so greedy on him. I don't think like this Fiona dies. I don't think like I think Grumpig is. I think Grumpig is bulky, right? To take one hit. Grumpig is bulky to take one hit. You are right, Grumpig. You are right. No! I lost to the Medicham! No! How are you? How can my -2? Grumpig is -2. You have 256 PDF. What? I lost to the Medicham. No! Okay, now Linoon will go in. Okay, no problem, no problem. Oh my god. Grumpig, no! No, I lost. What is this bullshit, Grumpig? How does Grumpig not take 256 speed? Yeah, that's game. I don't think E-Speed kills this though. No! 46 to 55. Yo. Claw? Does Claw kill Shadow Claw? I mean, stronger. 54 to 64. Oh no! You are timid. You are adamant. I am so weak, man. Shadow Claw doesn't kill a Medicham. Oh, Grumpig, you are so weak. Grumpig can't take a -2 sludge wave. Life up, knocked off. I refuse to believe this. What? What? What is this? What? No. That's impossible. This Nidoqueen this much strong. Okay, let's make it like modest max attack. Yeah, modest max attack. Sheer force. Yeah, special attack at like -2. Sludge wave does 23 to 20. Oh my god, you stupid Grumpig. You are so frail. -2 sludge wave broke the sub. Oh god. I have to crit claw or do I? You know what? Oh. Do a crit claw. I mean, this was if I belly jumped, it was a 100% win, but I tried the Grumpig route and Grumpig disappointed me. Grumpig absolutely disappointed me. I mean, it has got so high speed F. Look at the speed F. This one is 110 speed F. How does it? Yeah. You know what? He has fake out though. I mean, that's so not the play. That's so not the play. I mean, belly drum is so not the play. But I'm committing. Yeah. Did he hit? Or did he T-punch or do something like that? Okay, yeah. Oh my god. This has to be the most tragic ending you will ever see. A very tragic ending. But Grumpig got its sweeps though. Grumpig got the sweeps. But so this is gonna be it for today, guys. The Pokefan live. Stay safe, guys. Bye-bye.